Chinese President Xi Jinping was received by Czech Foreign Minister Lubomir Zaoralek and other senior officials at the airport in Prague on Monday. This is Xi's maiden visit to the Central and Eastern Europe region, or CEE, since he assumed presidency in 2013, and his first trip to Europe this year. Hailing the long-held friendship between the two countries, Xi extended sincere greetings and best wishes to the Czech people in his written remarks upon arrival. Xi said the two countries have launched sound cooperation under the framework of China's CEE cooperation, which is playing a crucial role in promoting China-Europe ties. The Chinese president met with his Czech counterpart Milos Zeman in Lani Chateau, the official summer residence of the Czech president, just outside Prague. During their 2-hour meeting, Xi said, the two countries have seen closer high-level engagement, more practical cooperation, and colorful people-to-people exchanges in recent years, ushering their relationship into a period of growth that is unprecedented in terms of both speed and results. Zeman said the Czech Republic is a country that can be trusted by China in the EU and is willing to fully utilize its influence to help further strengthen China's relations with the EU and the Central and Eastern Europe region. Before the meeting, the two leaders planted a ginkgo sapling from China. Xi said ginkgo signifies the friendly ties between the two countries, as the plant is a symbol of long-lasting friendship in Chinese culture. China is the Czech Republic's largest trading partner outside the EU, while the Czech Republic has been China's second-largest trading partner in Central and Eastern Europe for many years in a row. Beijing and Prague signed an intergovernmental MOU on jointly building the Belt and Road Initiative in November 2015. The initiative has presented unprecedented opportunities for cooperation between the two nations, helping synergize their development strategies. The steady development of the China-Czech ties is in accordance with the strong cooperation momentum between China and the Central and Eastern Europe region. All 16 Central and Eastern Europe countries are along the route of the Belt and Road.